How to customize your Todoist dashboard. Hi everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can customize your Todoist dashboard. As you can see, this is how my screen looks like, and you can see the option how you can see the option customize your Todoist. Now, customizing your Todoist dashboard is a step that you need to take immediately after you've created your account. All right, so the first step is to log in. As you to do it, is to log in. Is to open your web browser, type out www.today.com, then click on get started for free. Then you'll be asked to sign up using any sign up option of your choice. And then after signing up, the next step is that you'll be brought to a page where you'll be asked to customize your profile by selecting a profile name, and then you'll be brought to this page. Okay, as you can see, customize your to do it. So once you're here, the next step is to select an option. All right, what kind of role do you want to play on the Todoist application or software? Are you a founder? Are you a leader, a manager, or are you just an individual contributor? For me, I am a manager. And then, do you need extra help? If you need extra help, you can just click this toggle. If not, just click on continue, and then you'll be asked to create a team. Okay, so you can create a team by typing a team name. Okay, so for me, I'll be working with Amazon's PLC. Okay, and then once you're done, click on continue, and then you ask to invite people to your team. So I'll just go ahead and make an invite now. All right, by entering in the email of my team members. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click on invite. All right, or you can add as many people as you want as well. Okay, Deborah 201 gmail.com. Okay, then you have to invite one more person. And once you're done, automatically you'll be brought to your dashboard, as you can see. And then you'll see your team name, then you'll see projects, you'll see set up your team, you'll see other things as well. And once you click on got it, you can now see your dashboard by the left side of the screen. You can see the different things that you can do on your Todoist account. So this is basically how you can customize your dashboard. Just ensure that you follow through the process and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.